Hello to everyone except Hurricane Barrel. This fence is giving very much lean with it, rock with it. So in this video, we're going to walk you through fencing 101. We're going to talk about how to repair your fence, things you should look for, and how to extend the life of your fence. So let's get into the video.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Though Hurricane Barrel has come and gone, his little family members have stayed and continued to give us so much rain. Nevertheless, that's why I have my boots on, and you'll see me with my sweater on, and that is because these mosquitoes are terrible.
Once I go towards the back, it's gonna...
Oh, it's muddy back there.
It's super muddy right back there.
Okay.
But once I start doing the back of them, it's gonna want to go back more, and I don't want the whole thing to fall or even break apart. While
You think we should wait till it dries up a little bit or no?
so I'm waiting for him to come back so he can at least help me.
Hold it.
Yeah, it's so muddy back there. Like if I even put a reinforcement,
It's gonna slide down.
It's sliding.
Yeah, that's what she was saying, that it was muddy.
Super muddy back there. It's like a little swamp area back there, but yeah. So that's basically the only thing that's kind of just got to still right now.
Okay.
Once I get him, like I guess to help me, like hold it up, we do the whole other side.
And then that will work, you think?
Yeah.
Once, if he can hold it up, you can...
I can, yeah.
You want me to hold it?
Well, it's gonna take time for me to do all of them. So I don't know if he got a different strategy or something.
I mean, I don't mind doing it if you need the help. If not, I don't have to. I'm just saying I'm here to help.
No, I got to see.
What's this?
That's like some type of water line. That's why I was like very careful with that on here, on digging that hole.
Okay.
But see how like flimsy this is? I was gonna put a 2x4 to this.
Yeah, that's what he was saying, to separate it from that.
Yeah, but it's too much weight. Once I do that,
Yeah.
all of them, the rest will fall over.
Okay.
So it's best for him to get
Wait on him. Okay.
Yeah, to see, because it's so muddy and slippery back there that it's bad. I put another 4x4, which is deeper, way deeper than that. It's just all the water coming up, I guess, from the back.
Are y'all going to use longer screws too? Because I know these builders use those little bitty screws.
Oh yeah, we got long screws.
You got long, okay.
We got good screws.
Yeah, because I don't like how they do that. If they use the longer screws, what size are those screws that you're going to use?
I got them right there.
Let's go see.
Yeah.
Let's go see.
They hold up real good. I'll end up putting screws all over.
Yeah, because they use the smaller screws, and so when you have any little wind,
they're not even screws. They're like
nails. Yeah, when you have any little wind, of course,
it's
going to separate. Like you're setting these homeowners up for failure.
And these 4x4s, they barely have any concrete on them.
Yeah, and aren't they supposed to go down like, is it 2 feet or 3 feet?
Like about 3 feet.
3 feet, okay.
So, yeah.
So you're gonna use these. These are the screws. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna tell my homeowners, the ones who didn't have their fences to fall over, that before we get another storm, to go ahead and reinforce these. Use these.
Yeah. These are very
Before, and then you stand a better chance of your fence staying erect.
Yeah.
All right, you just heard from the professional himself. These are the screws that you need to use to reinforce your fencing. And while we're here, we're going to go ahead and remind you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep this content coming to you. Where should they screw those?
Mainly like
For the best support.
like where it's holding these up, these nails right here. It should add up to me.
So if you're someone like me, let's just say, well, I mean, I'm got my man, but let's say we have a homeowner who's, single, and they just want to figure out, I don't want to call everybody to do everything. I want to learn to do something on my own. They would take those screws and screw them.
Basically, everywhere where they put the nails on.
Okay, everywhere you see a nail, put a screw. Put one of those screws. Yeah. Okay, so they would need just a drill.
A drill and the screws.
And the screws. Okay, and that's it. Okay.
Yeah, everywhere there was that.
So like all of these places here, they would go and reinforce or no?
It would reinforce actually.
Okay.
I mean, you could put one screw in between each of the nails.
So like bam, bam, bam. Okay.
Yeah, those screws, they hold up real good.
Okay.
And instead of put like two screws wherever, especially in the joints.
Okay. So I got it. So kind of here, but if we wanted to just start off and we just had one box of screws, we want to start here in these areas first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these areas first.
And another thing, it'll hold. it will hold real good, but like as you see, none of the.
You mind being on camera? You don't have to. That's fine.
Yeah,
You okay? Okay, I'm listening.
Okay, so basically, like all these boards didn't fly away, but it's basically part of the concrete work that should have been more concrete down there. It would have held up.
So your advice is, hello, hi. So to the homeowner, to the average homeowner who is purchasing a home, the top two things you would tell them to do in regards to fencing would be to get those screws.
Yes, ma'am.
And what on the concrete?
A lot more concrete on the 4x4s. Another thing is the fence was built all the way straight for a long way.
No separation.
No separation. See, we had to cut that piece in. So once you got most of the fence falling in, if you got a strong fence, it's gonna,
The weight is going to
the
carry
weight
it down
is gonna-
anyways.
it's gonna
Okay, so he cut right here. Let me make that bigger. He separated it here because if
and down
not,
there.
yeah,
and down there. So
and right here.
yes.
So right there and then right there. Because it was all one piece.
It's all one
And the weight of the full piece is going to ride the fence and it's going to fall.
Yeah. It's like
Okay.
a domino effect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, perfect. So more concrete. They need to go at least
At least
3 feet. So that's something that I need to start having conversations with the builders for my new home buyers. How far are you going to go in, with the post? How much concrete are you going to fill it up with, right? That hole. Okay, so 3 feet and screws. And then a separation of that. Okay. All right, that sounds good. What else? Is there anything else?
That's about it. But yeah, and like in every separation should be like 4x4s. Like you got one in that corner. I guess that's what kind of helped the rest of this fence, because that would have brought the rest of it in. And I guess it goes a long ways without it having 4x4s in each separation.
And you got to break
Those
it down.
are 4x4s.
These are 4x4s.
Yes, ma'am.
These are 4x4s, guys. These are pickets.
Yes.
Is there another term for it?
That's
Pickets. Okay, fence pickets, 4x4s. Okay. And then what are these? 2x4s.
2x4s.
Okay. 2x4s, 4x4s, pickets. And screws and concrete and posts. These are posts.
Yes, ma'am. 4x4 posts.
4x4 posts. Okay. All right.
See how they only had that?
Shit, that don't even look like a foot.
Yeah.
Is that concrete all the way down there? That's mud.
That's
It's about this much concrete, looks like, right?
Yeah, but that's the most concrete they put on one pole.
Got it.
Look at the rest of the poles. It's crazy.
Oh, and that's probably because that was in the middle.
Yeah. But they should.
That don't even have.
It
There's
don't
no
even look
concrete
like
there.
It don't even look like it has it. It does have it. It's just a little bit amount.
It's just a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you see how they didn't put equal amount on
All
each one
throughout.
of
It should be
yeah.
3 feet.
All the way.
Around.
Around.
Every post.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it. Every post, separation, larger screws, longer screws.
Yeah.
Okay.
Screws better than nails.
Screws are better than nails. Always. Okay. All right. So I have given Manuel a couple of addresses. I think he probably has 4 or 5. That's one of them that we're going to need to do a quote. Are you equipped to do that, or you want to wait on him?
I'd rather
That's
wait
fine.
on him.
So it's going to be this fence right here.
Okay.
So I'm still glad y'all separated, but it's going to be this fence. If he can get everything together, let me know.
Okay.
And I'll let them know.
Okay.
All right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you need anything from, I should have brought you some water. Should I go to the store get you? You got water.
some.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. All right. So, y'all staying busy?
Oh, yeah.
Y'all staying busy?
Yeah.
I know, right? That was a crazy question.
No, but it's a
But
good
there's
thing.
so many homeowners in this area who I'm sure you probably, as you drove through, saw it.
Oh, yeah. All over the place.
All right. Thank you. So,
So he said he'll be back. He's just taking care of
yeah, he told me he was
material,
getting some
and
material.
He'll be back over.
I like your bug spray.
Thank you very
Mosquito
much.
spray for sure.
Gotta have it.
What is this?
That's
A Sawzall?
You got it.
And that's what you use to cut the wood.
Yeah, that's what
Now,
I
what
used
did you
to-
dig the posts up with?
Just a regular skinny shovel.
Oh, okay. So I want to let the people know in case they have to end up doing this. This is what they need. Because I'm a DIYer, right? I'll try anything one time.
Oh, yeah. Ain't no rough.
just to see if I'm good at something else, you know. So, okay, so it's a post hole digger.
Yeah.
And then this is a shovel. So to do that, you need these types of tools.
Yes, ma'am.
Post hole digger. Okay. Got it. Okay, so weekend warriors, if your fencing is down, first of all, you want to make sure you hire a professional to do this. And I got the guy to help you. I will drop his information, his contact information in the description of this video. But if you are a DIYer, you see all the tools that you need. I hope we've explained them to you. I know I've learned something. I hope you've learned something. Drop down in the comments, let your girl know what you learned. And as always, you know that I am here to not only help you find your way home, but help you stay in your home.
Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull.